and a wonderful morning to you guys. Welcome at Camping Mocambo in blah blah blah. I forgot. This was a scary little morning because my motor lamp was on. You know, the inspection lamp for the motor. So I was already just a little scared that something is wrong with Yachty. And there might be something wrong with her, but it's not as serious because the motor lamp is off again. And I read in the internet, if it turns off again, you're fine. And you know, what's written on the internet is always correct. Happy now? Did I go down this road last time? I'm not sure, I think. We are going... Shut up, navigation. We are going to the Etna today. I'm gonna try to do some more drone shots. I took you there yesterday already. I think you've seen that. You might. I haven't cut it yet, so I'm not sure what I put in the vlog. But, well, the weather was kind of like this. So, perfect blue sky, except on the Etna there is a big cloud hanging over there. And as you might already seen in the drone shots, that makes it quite hard to produce some good shots because you don't see shit. So, but nonetheless, oh man guys, you know, this is really making me happy that this motor inspection lamp is off. This is really, really taking a load off my mind. Where am I going here? Oh yes, so this was the road I turned to last time. This guy looked like the assassin from the Dark Knight. You've seen him? I had a great time at Mocambo. I finally got my productive stop where I was able to cut and chill and I mean, you know, this might come out wrong. I enjoyed the stay at the Vesuvio Eco Camping with the guys there so much, and also at Lido dei Pini in Calabria at Cetaro. It was so nice. Like, I love these guys. However, I finally was able to get some chill time and cut my vlogs, and I'm very well ahead now, so it's all perfect and I'm back in business. You're gonna see vlogs by the day now, or by like every second day. So yeah, this is nice. We are going... What did I do wrong, dipshit? We are going to go to the Etna today. I'm going to show you some more views from there. From there we're going to go to Noto. Where did I put the... Oh yeah, I hope it's still in my pocket. The list from Federico. In Noto, it's the Pearl of Sicily, as I was told. And then we're gonna go to Camping Captain at a town, the name I forgot, on the southern tip of Sicily, which is always the most southern tip of Italy. And this is where the Tyrrhenian and the Mediterranean seas meet. I met a buddy on the ferry to Sicily who told me that this place must be really great. really great. So this is where we're going. Just a quick one, I wanted to show you this nice church yesterday already, and I didn't manage to do that. I'm gonna do that now, because this looks really cool. Hold on. Look at that. That's really nice. Right? So I think this street here looks a lot like one of those old polizioteschi. I hope I pronounced that correctly. 70s or 60s and 70s Italian mob movies. So I can see Don Mariano standing on this balcony there and saying, "Oh, this guy is no trouble. The new police chief, he is only a little blah blah," and then all his mobsters laugh. This movie is great. El Dia de Civetta. La Dia de Civetta. Very great movie. Yeah, this looks really nice here, right? It's got something. You remember this road here? This road is where I did the tracking drone shots. So the drone was following me here. I thought because it's so steep, that was really cool. In this nice town here, very nice, overlooking the sea on the foot of Mount Etna. I had a pizza yesterday. Very enjoyable. Yesterday I drove up here like a total tourist with short clothes, sandals, and and just my shirt without the vest. I'm not gonna say it was cold or too cold, because it was quite refreshing, and with sometimes 40 degrees I wouldn't have the audacity of saying, what the fuck is over there? There's a huge fire, you see that? Wow, I think you can eat. Oh man. Wow. Well, anyway, as I said, I wouldn't have the audacity with 40 degrees sometimes to say that I was cold, but it was fresh, and now it's actually perfect, because I can have a really nice cool down while driving up the Etna. This looks like on the moon, only with a couple of bushes. So I think that view should be nice. Oh yes, isn't that nice? And as you can see, pretty much no clouds, only on Mount Etna. What am I doing here? Fucking idiot I am. Okay, I just had my first drone crash. Luckily, it landed in a soft tree. I was doing some active track. So that's exciting and very promising. The clouds are hanging a lot higher than expected and than yesterday. Look, see? It's all clear. Oh man, I hope so. Okay, I'm walking up a little, and I'm not sure if that makes sense, because it's, oh man, it's tough. I think I'm just gonna go down here. I'm close to that crater, close to this. So yeah, this should work. This should work. All right, guys, it worked. I finally got some nice shots. You've probably already seen them. I am going to the most southern point of Italy now, and until then I need a gas station and maybe a lunch pizza. You know how I roll. That is a lot of fun riding on the Etna with the nicest view, but I need a gas station really bad. It's 12 kilometers away. I'm positive I will get there. But look at that view, man. Holy shit. And all these little like triangles, it's all little volcanoes. Alright, view treat coming up ahead. And I'm riding right down there. This is where we going, all the way back there. Still on the lookout for a gas station, but the road is nice. This little town here, on the foot of Mount Etna, has a lot of charm. I am, after I found a gas station, also looking for some food, maybe some traditional Sicilian food, like panette alla milza. I got this recommended. I really love to taste that, try that. Or an arancino, that was delicious as well. I am all gassed up and ready to go. We're gonna go to Camping Captain now. That is the most southern tip of Italy and Sicily. And on the way there we're gonna pass Noto, a supposedly very beautiful town, La Perla di Sicilia, as my friend Federico recommended it to me. So let's do it. Okay, let's go. There's something that I noticed all over Italy, and it's only an Italian problem. It's not in France, it's not in Spain. Like, guys, seriously, like, what is this shit? Are you serious? Italians have the most beautiful country. They have the best moda, and they're full of style and full of Dolce Vita lifestyle. And then they throw their fucking garbage like everywhere. What is that? What is your fucking problem, man? Seriously. So this is really crazy. I don't understand that. Maybe one of my Italian friends who's watching this, maybe he can enlighten me. But yeah, this is like really bad. They litter the most beautiful country that you can imagine. Like, see, this is what I mean. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And then they throw their garbage everywhere. That view is amazing. There is what appears to be a very old picture on the wall. Back there is a big castello. The road is beautiful. Yep, that is something. Do I have to go down here? No, I doubt it. What a beautiful little town. But it's not Noto yet. Ooh, check this out. It's really downhill from here on. God damn it, that looks so nice. Wow, that's such a cool ride. See guys, this is the reason I'm doing this. For roads like that. Whoa. Yeah. I think that is a very fitting picture. Check it out. See it back there? That is a picture. Yep, this is how the end is gonna look like. It's really true. And also how it's gonna smell like. Holy shit man, that's crazy. That is seriously crazy. Wow. Piles of garbage everywhere. In the midst of citrus plants. Look at that. Man, oh man, this is really sad. This is breaking my heart actually. It's really hurting my heart to see how Italy, that beautiful country, is suffocating itself in waste. If you're trying to get Coke in Italy, you look for Mr. Bianco. That's a funny town name, man. Mr. Bianco. I just stopped at this bar, Pane Condito, but I didn't grab anything to eat because I did not understand the system. It was like, I don't know, it was like a meat store or a bar or a tobacco store. There was people like standing around crazy in there, and I didn't know where to wait, nor did I know what to get. It looked pretty good, but I didn't know how to order it. I didn't know where to order it. So I'm trying to find something else. And also well, not sure if it's gonna be the last view, but a nice view of the beach and Mount Etna. I hope I'm on the right track. To the right we have some really nice cliffs, and beneath the cliffs to the right there would be old army bunkers that look quite interesting, because from up there you can oversee the whole southern tip. Crazy cliffs coming. They have holes in them. Look up here, you realize how high that is when you're standing next to it. From far away, it doesn't look like much, but when you're here, that's pretty impressive. So I took the wrong way quite a few times because my headset turned itself off. I forgot to charge it, but nonetheless I made it to Noto. It's up there on the hill, and from what I can tell from here it looks really nice. Centro Storico, okay. I think think I'm gonna grab a bite to eat here somewhere.
Ciao ragazzi, I'm sitting in Noto, very nice city, and having my late lunch. It's 4. I'm getting some nice arancinis. So, next stop, camping. Okay, say goodbye to Noto. Wonderful, wonderful city. Ciao belli fratelli. I made it to Camping Captain, and we are gonna look for a camp spot now together. I can pick any spot I like, so let's see which one I'm having. Let's try to go closest to the beach as possible, huh? Well, what do you think about that? That would be nice. There's one. These ones too here, huh? Wow. I don't know, like all these people using up 2 spots down here. Those fuckers. I am unsure, guys. I am not sure. Ciao. Scusa, are you leaving or are you coming? You're leaving?
Sei di Berlino?
See?
Hai visto la nostra targa? No, siamo austriaci. Sì, ma comunque
I like this spot, I would take this, yes?
sì, facciamo un prezzo. Partiamo, we are leaving in half an hour or so.
Okay. Perfetto, grazie. Grazie. A coffee? Sì, sì, grazie.